Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can easily remove formatting on your, or clear out formatting on your Microsoft Excel workbook. So in the previous video, we went ahead and we had a style that's similar to what you're seeing here for this Excel title here under this column. And I went ahead and used the Format Painter tool to copy what was here over here to this title. But now we have this huge title that's taken up multiple columns here, and it's maybe a little bit obnoxious. And rather than us having to go in and edit it, we just want to get it back to where it was before. We could always use the undo tool, but maybe we made some changes in between the point that we changed this title and to where we're at now. So what we could do is we could just go ahead and highlight the cell that we want to go ahead and make the change to or clear the formatting on. So it's this one right here. You see it's taken up 4 different columns. And we'll come over here to our Home tab, come over here to Clear, and then do Clear Formats. And now that we do that, it went ahead and reverted it back, and now we could decide maybe we want to do something a little bit more subtle for the title so that it's not, huge and blue. But that is one of the easiest ways to actually remove formatting on your Microsoft Excel workbook.